Every signal, point, and route in a modern railway runs on one invisible system, Electronic Interlocking Logic. It's what keeps trains safe, routes efficient, and signaling automated. Now you can master it with Railway Academy's 12 hours self-paced certificate course in EI Logics, designed for professionals and learners who want to move from relay logic to advanced signaling. Who can join? Ideal for signaling engineers, designers, diploma and engineering graduates who understand signaling basics and want to build EI logic design skills. What you will learn: ESP and SIP fundamentals, power supply and fault-proof device logic, bit chart and Boolean logic equations, EI application programming and testing, FAT and SAT, video design and maintenance interface concepts. What you will be able to do after? You will be able to interpret ESP, SIP, write and review EI logic, integrate power and fault systems, design user interfaces, and contribute confidently to signaling projects. This course bridges the gap between design and implementation, preparing you for real-world interlocking roles. Enroll today in the 12-hour EI Logics course at Railway Academy and take the next step toward becoming a modern signaling professional.